You won't believe this. Your body warns you a month before a heart attack. Here's how to recognize it and heal with just one food, according to the World Health Organization. Even more chilling, your body starts sending warning signals almost a month before a major cardiac event. Yes, heart attacks don't just happen out of nowhere. You might feel bloated or get acid reflux, thinking it's something you ate. But heart attacks, especially in women, often present as stomach-related discomfort. If you're feeling sick or bloated regularly, and antacids don't help, your heart could be struggling in the background. They build up silently, gradually, which happens when your brain isn't getting enough blood due to blocked arteries or an unstable heartbeat. Cold sweats, for instance, are a telltale sign. When your body's trying to cool itself due to stress on the heart, you'll sweat in unusual patterns. Regular intake can even reverse early-stage hypertension and improve arterial elasticity, making your heart's job easier. Crushing or chopping the clove and letting it sit for 10 minutes before eating activates its medicinal compound, allicin. If you find raw garlic too harsh, you can opt for aged garlic supplements. But always consult a healthcare provider first, especially if you're already on blood-thinning medication. This isn't the result of hot weather or physical exertion. It's your body saying, pay attention, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Quit smoking, stay active, and manage stress. But integrating garlic into your daily routine is one of the easiest. Your body does not stay silent when danger is coming. It whispers through fatigue, sighs through breathlessness, and pleads through chest discomfort. You just need to listen. And when you hear those warnings, don't ignore them. In most affordable ways to take your heart health into your own hands. No pills, no side effects, just natural healing. It reduces LDL cholesterol. Look after your body, feed your heart, and share this video with someone you care about. It could save their life or yours. Prevents plaque buildup in arteries and lowers inflammation. The root of most heart diseases. It's a slow buildup, a quiet deterioration, and a series of missed alarms. But now, you know better. You know the signs. And you know that nature has already given you a weapon, garlic. To fight back, it's also a natural blood thinner, reducing the risk of clot formation, which is often what triggers a heart attack in narrowed arteries. Many people think it's dehydration or low blood sugar, and while those are valid causes, repeated dizzy spells need immediate cardiac attention. If it's coupled with chest pain or nausea, it's a 911 situation, with symptoms that most people dismiss as simple fatigue or a bad meal. But ignoring these signals can cost you your life. What if you knew the signs and could reverse your risk with just one natural food that's already sitting in your kitchen and sweating? Let's talk about prevention. Yes, medical care and lifestyle changes are crucial, but nature also offers an incredible ally. And this isn't just an old wives' tale. Science backs it up. It might shock you to know that nearly 85% of heart attacks are preventable, yet someone dies from one every 33 seconds globally. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extract reduces coronary artery a major predictor of heart attacks. Another clinical trial in the Journal of Cardiovascular Medicine revealed that daily consumption of garlic can lower blood pressure by as much as prescription drugs, without side effects. But how does this one food work so effectively? Let's start with the first warning sign. Unusual fatigue. This isn't your normal end-of-the-day tiredness. We're talking about sudden and persistent exhaustion. Instead, it could be a mild pressure, burning sensation, or tightness. It might come and go, especially when you're stressed or physically active. These are called angina symptoms. Your heart muscles aren't getting enough oxygen. Dismissing this can be fatal. But when your arteries start narrowing, oxygen delivery is compromised. You may feel winded doing basic activities, like walking to your car or taking a shower. If this happens frequently and without a clear cause, your heart may be waving a red flag. Even after a full night's sleep, you might find climbing stairs harder, carrying groceries more tiring, or needing naps during the day. Why? Because your heart is struggling to pump enough blood to your muscles and brain. It's one of the earliest signs that something is going wrong with your cardiovascular system. The second sign that often gets overlooked is shortness of breath. People usually associate this with asthma or being unfit. Another classic, yet ignored symptom is chest discomfort, but not necessarily the dramatic Hollywood-type chest-clutching pain. One particularly sneaky sign is indigestion or nausea. Then there's dizziness, or like one more sign many people don't connect to the heart is sweating excessively, especially at night or during rest. Now that we've uncovered the 6 major signs, fatigue, breathlessness, chest discomfort, indigestion, dizziness, garlic is a powerhouse for heart health. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. What's more impressive is that garlic also helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports weight management, 2 major factors that indirectly burden your heart. To harness its benefits, consume 1 clove of raw garlic daily on an empty stomach. Of course, garlic isn't a magic bullet. It works best alongside a heart-friendly lifestyle. Reduce processed foods, limit salt and sugar, Let this be your wake-up call. Remember, a heart attack may seem sudden, but it rarely is. So before it's too late, take action.